Hey everybody, I'm here with my good friend Katara R, and we just want to come real quick and so she can give some input on how her process was with getting her credit clean with Revenue Financial. So I got a couple questions I'm gonna ask. Sounds good? All right. So what was your financial situation like before you got credit repair? What was your credit situation like?
My credit situation was very stressful, very painful, very embarrassing, very overwhelming. Before I sought Revenue Financial Services, I felt like I did not have a lot of options, that I had to take whatever was given to me. And that looks like
Right,
high interest rates, higher deposits, higher monthly car payments, etc. Since starting with Revenue Financial, my options have increased, and now I have more of a say so in what I accept. I have the right now to turn down certain offers if they're not conducive to my financial situation.
right. Awesome, awesome. And um, how long did it take before you started to see results when you got started?
Honestly, it was a very quick process. I would say I started to see significant results about 30 to 45 days from start, and that's not
Gotcha.
very long.
Okay, nice. Awesome, awesome. And can you share like some specific improvements that you saw in your credit once we got started?
Yeah, again, I was able to refinance my vehicle for a lower interest rate. I'm now in the market of purchasing my first home, and I have options. I don't have to just take the mortgage amount that are available by certain banks. I can negotiate.
Right,
I'm in a
right.
position now where I can sit at multiple tables and have different conversations because my financial situation has improved since seeking Revenue Financial Services credit repair.
Awesome, awesome. And lastly, what did you appreciate most about the team and the support throughout the process?
Revenue Financial Services is a team of amazing professionals. I appreciate that they're real people. I'm not given a menu where I have to press one, two, or three to be connected with anybody. When I call Revenue Financial, I get an actual person. And that still seems more personable for me. It makes me feel like I'm being seen, I'm being heard, I'm able to get my questions answered, and I'm not given the runaround. So I really appreciated that the most.
Awesome, awesome. Well, we appreciate you too. Thank you for your time doing this with us. This really helps us with promoting our business, and I look forward to continuing to work with you.
Thank you for your services.
All right.